Well, boys, this is not how we wanted to start the video. Broke down on the side of the road. Got us a good flat here. And we love them flats. It's coming down the road here. Got right above Springdale BP, and I was on the phone with a mechanic over I've got a 2016 Duramax, and it's been at the shop for a while. I was on the phone with him, and I driving my red truck, and all of a sudden I heard boom! I had to pull over on the side of the road, and called my uncle, and he's supposed to be on his way to come and bring me a spare tire that I had in the basement for it. And the spare that I have on my truck, the rim is actually busted, and I've not been able to find a Ranger rim, like a stock old Ranger rim to fit this boat. But yes, man, I thought, you know, when we have a little breakdown like this, it's really good to not go crazy and throw a fit. And I thought about this morning, on my way here, was kind of just going fast. Everything just going fast and just not really stopping to really see things. And thought about sometimes how God will stop us in our tracks. And a lot of times we get mad when we get a flat or a little hiccup or something like that, but it might have been something. He might have been guarding me from something, so I'd rather have a flat tire and be guarded than in a place where I don't need to be. So when we have these little problems in our lives, maybe we need to sit. And while I'm sitting here waiting on my uncle, I thought about sometimes it's good when we get stopped in our tracks, because we need to really see where we're at in this road of life and see why we got stopped. So I'm gonna take this busted tire and kind of sit and pray and stuff like that, and maybe God gave me this flat tire. Maybe I need to be thankful that we got this flat tire this morning. But thought about maybe just an encouragement, piece of advice this morning. Sometimes when we get stopped in the tracks, we need to maybe look where we're at in our life, look where we're at with God, and you know, or thank God that we got stopped and had a little hiccup. But we're going to be putting in, hopefully, at maybe down here at Clinch River, down here at the old winery. That's where we were headed this morning. I don't know if we'll make it or not. Maybe we don't need to go. I have no idea. I thought about getting stopped in our tracks. Sometimes we need to be stopped in our tracks. Sometimes it's good for God to shake our trees and just see where we're at in life. That's what I kind of... If you ever have a flat tire and you're on the side of the road, take advantage of it. See where you're at in life. See where you're at with God. Sometimes it's good to be stopped in our tracks. So. First fish of the day. Spotted on that spinner. This water, dude. Water temperature is 70 degrees, and it's kind of got like a color to it, but first fish. first fish on top water of the year, man. He hit that thing. Shoo! Got him, boys. On that white spook. He hit it. I didn't think I was gonna catch one on it. He hit it. Hook's a little rusty. White spook. I mean, good fish right there, guys. First top water fish of the year of 2025. Oh my goodness. We've got the wacky rig and we have a creek, and I am about 100.5 million, 0.78,000% sure we're going to catch a fish somewhere right around in this creek. You got it? Ah, I'll have one. I'll have one. You're running with it. Got it. Oh! Got it. There he is, finally. Finally. Finally, guys. I didn't know what was going to happen. That's a largemouth too. Third fish of the day. I didn't know what was going to happen, man. I was getting some bites there. Third fish. We caught him on that wacky rig, boys. There he is. He's running right towards me, guys. Oh, that's a good largemouth. Oh my goodness. I had him, guys. That was the fish too. That would have been the fourth one. Well, guys, we've got the fourth fish. GoPro was not on. Finally got him on that the minky swim bait. They turn it up too. Got yeah. Shoo! On that spook, boys. There we go. That's the fifth fish for sure. We gotta be really careful, man, with these spooks. Oh, here we go, guys. Around these little flowers. That's where our big one was, guys. I still can't get over that humongous fish. Huge bass. I'd say it's 4.5, 5 pounds for sure. Look at these little flowers. These fish are coming up and eating bait. Pretty good fish too. All you gotta do is sometimes you gotta throw something different. 6 pound test. on that little Ned rig. Green pumpkin Ned rig. That's what I caught it on. There we go. We're doing a little quick update here, man. And I'll tell you right now, we've not caught a real big one, but we've caught a few small ones. I had that one, man, I still can't get over it. It was probably 4 or 5 pounds on that spook. But, dude, it feels so good out today. I'm gonna show you all this. Just look at this. Birds chirping. Birds chirping, turkeys gobbling. Oh, I love this so much. We've had a black old wet winter, and now we've got stuff blooming, and it just feels amazing. I'm just taking this up. The wind, spot that I'm at, the wind's not really blowing that much. Oh, it just feels amazing, dude. Feels good. Just want to show you all this. On that spinning. Yes. Shoo, got him on that spinning. That's what we've been at her, guys. Shoo, pound and a half. Oh, he's a lot bigger than that. Oh. Let me just go ahead and catch it. What do you think I'm gonna throw? You tell me. What I tell you, he may be small, so let me tell you, we gonna take it. 7 pounds, it's on. I figure we catch him in there. On the Ned rig. Almost skinned him. Steaming. Almost steamed him. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Now that we're at the end, I want to go over some baits and show you all kind of what I was throwing to catch my fish. And here we are with that first bait. This is like a white big spook that I have, and this is a 1 knocker spook. And dude, I was in my box, I was looking at all my baits, and I seen this thing hanging up, and I seen the white spook, and I'm just like, bingo. And you know, we're in the month of April now, and a white spook, a big white spook right now, dude, is deadly. And don't be afraid to, you know, pick up a big one. A lot of people are just like, kind of maybe want to throw a fluke or just like a small spook, but right now, man, just pick up a big spook, sling it, don't be afraid of it. And but yeah, dude, this spook right here is really good. And I lost that one, it was 5 or 6 pounds on it. And then second, we have the Gary Yamato Cinco, and I've got it on like a 2-aught hook with my band. And this is the wacky rig setup that we were throwing, and this is kind of like a light green pumpkin bait. This is really good this time of the year. And I mean, you don't have to throw this color, but a wacky rig, man, is deadly this time of the year. And this bait will be on all year long. I may have like a few different colors. I've got 2 or 3 different colors I like to throw, but that wacky rig is deadly right now this time of the year. So we have third, and this is my Deminky swim bait, green pumpkin as well. It's got little flakes on it, and I've got it on a 1/6 ounce spot remover hook. But we're dragging this thing off the bottom, we're throwing it in creeks, we're throwing it around rocks, we're finding the bait, and just we're going after the fish that are eating at the bottom. And this paddle tail swim bait, and this is tough, this is not like Kitech break off. I mean, this Deminky swim bait, the reason why I love it is because it's got that good action to it, man. But that paddle tail drives these fish crazy this time of the year when these fish are up in the pre-spawn, feeding on bait and just all kinds of things. You can catch so many big fish on this bait. And this is a bait that I really didn't show a lot of people, but now that we're on YouTube, we're trying to make a living off it. We don't care to share secrets because it will help you all and you all help me. So we all come together, share baits, catch fish. So we have the fourth bait here, and this is on a 1/6 ounce Z-Man. This is like a weedless hook, but we have Z-Man hook and we have a Z-Man Ned rig, and this is kind of like the new bait that they have. It's kind of got like the little, it reminds you of like a little bitty crawl, you know. And this is a green pumpkin as well. And this time of the year, man, I like to throw an all natural color bait. And then you know, and the last bait was the spinner bait, and I didn't get to bring it in, I forgot to get it, but the spinner bait was like a silver, black, silver, white kind of color. But that spinner bait, man, is also really deadly this time of the year when that evening wind picks up, kind of like around, you know, 11, 12, when the month of April, that wind kind of gets bad. Throw you a jerk bait, throw you a spinner bait, find the bait, and that's mainly what you have to do this time of the year. Just find the bait. These baits are really good, but don't be afraid to throw a big spinner bait, spook, wacky rig, Ned rig, swim bait. So hope you all enjoy this video, and I hope these baits can help you. Get out there and try them. Let us know what you think about this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you next time. Bye.